What's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe and follow me on my social. And today, guys, this is a video that I've been wanting to do for so long, but I couldn't do it because I had no idea how to do it, which was putting on individual lashes. If you ever tried individual lashes on monolids, you know the struggle. Like, it just does not stay up. It just keeps going down. Like, it just doesn't work. So I never put them on, but I really wanted to put them on because they're so cute. And you know, like those K-pop idols, they always have those spiky individual lashes. But recently, I finally learned how to do this and I wanted to share with you guys ASAP. So finally, here I am doing this video. Let me show you guys how I did this. I just got some individual lashes from Ninetynine Dreams. Let me just choose from here because the one that I already previously have is not the best. So I'm like still on a lookout for like individual lashes. So I hope these work well. This is kind of random, but they also have like the no glue lash, which I've been looking for. So I don't think I'm gonna use this today though, because the whole point is like to show how to like put individual lashes. So I'll probably use this in another video, which I'm like so excited for, so stay tuned. But first of all, let me teach you how to select the lashes. What we don't want to choose are really thin and lightweight lashes, aka like these. They're very thin, very light, you know, doesn't have too much strength. Those are not going to work on the monolids. But the lashes that we want to choose, it needs to be strong and a little bit heavier and on the thicker side, so it has enough strength to pull up our eyelids, or else it's gonna droop down really quick. It's not even gonna show. And a good example of that would be these. The roots are thicker, the lashes are bigger and wider. Okay, I have these two in mind, but let me just choose which curl I like better. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. I don't know if you can see, but it's very curled. There's no name for this, so I don't know how to say it. This is how it looks like. Okay, now getting started with the first step. You gotta curl your lashes to the max. Like, it almost gotta touch your upper eyelid, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just gotta curl it up. Because our eyelids are so strong, we need the eyelashes to help support from the bottom. You know those people that put falsies under their real lashes to make it more natural? But for monolids, like, that just doesn't work. Like, it just doesn't work. We need to put it above our eyelashes. So the more you curl, the more support you will have. Okay, it's super hecka max curled. Oh my gosh, my lashes are so short. But yeah, to the point where my eyeliner is gone. So we're gonna do that later on. But then, yeah, do it like this. Now we're gonna curl. I'm so zoomed. I'm so sorry. Okay, now for the second step, I'm going to apply mascara, but it can't be any kind. It has to be the one that's gonna fix your eyelashes staying up. For monolids, this is so common, but when you put mascara, your lashes droop down because the mascara is so heavy. But we don't want that kind of mascara. So I'm gonna be using the Etude House Curl Fix. Just like that, and I'm gonna let it dry. But from here, you want to choose the longest one to go right in the center of your eye. You know, I've been wanting to try a new eyelash glue for such a long time because I feel like, I don't know, I only used Duo like my whole life, but I wanted to try other glues because I don't know if it's the best one, you know? Let's see how this one works. Their brand is very cutesy. Oh my gosh, wait, let me use their tweezer too. Ooh, okay, Lash. Oh, this is sharp. And when you grab your lashes, you can't pull it out this way. You gotta pull it out this way so that the curl stays. Even gluing the lash, I don't wanna glue it downward like this. I wanna glue it as high as possible. Oh, wait, I like their glue. And even when I apply, I don't wanna apply in this kind of angle, but I want to lift the lashes up and apply this angle above our real lashes. It's touching my eyelid, so that when I fully open my eye, it's at least gonna show. And now with the second one too, with the angle, let it dry. Wait, this is kind of TMI, but I got a mosquito bite like right here. It's so itchy right now, oh my gosh. I honestly don't like to fully open my eyes until I finish the lash set because yeah, I don't want it to like droop down. Because the more lashes there are, the more strength that they have. So I need them to like feed off of each other, but only with these two, like, oh, giving me the eyelid. I think it's still pretty strong enough, huh? Okay, I've applied all the lashes and honestly it's giving me a pretty thick double eyelid, which is, I did not even ask for, but thank you. But as you see, I have 6 lashes on, but I have one more right here, which is like a super tiny little piece. And this is just the extra, but I'm gonna apply like one more right there because the inner side of the eye needs the most help because that's what's gonna define the whole eye on the back. You know what I mean? The more strength that it has up here, the double eyelid is gonna stay more stable. But honestly, the glue is really good, but I'm even more surprised by the tweezer. I think I really like it. Oh my gosh, my hands are so shaky. And this small one, I'm gonna apply it under the falsies because I don't want this small piece to drag down my original one. It could low-key kind of look funky, so it really depends on the eyelash style that you're using. But when I open my eyes, you could like barely see, but the help is definitely there. And that is how the lashes are looking. But yeah, it's all about the lash choice and then the angle of it and then how you glue it. And also putting mascara before it. So I hope you're like getting this. I hope you're understanding what I'm talking about. Yeah. But let me go ahead and put it on my other side now. Now I got both sides on. Thankfully it came out pretty like identical because I sometimes struggle with like the placement, but I think it looks good. And I see the lashes are pretty, but I do want to try the other ones because this is not good for like a daily. You know, it's not too natural. It looks like I'm about to go on like a K-pop like, you know, stage or something. But yeah, this is it. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And I do have the link and discount code down below in my description box, so you can find it all there. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!